Have you ever wondered how the Hoosier State could possibly affect the ocean? In this video, you will learn one way that Indiana affects the ocean, which is through hypoxia. This specific type of hypoxia is known as the Gulf of Mexico hypoxia because it takes place in the Gulf of Mexico. Hypoxia is when oxygen concentrates in estuaries fall below less than 2 milligrams per liter, the level necessary to sustain most animal life. These hypoxic areas are known as dead zones. Hypoxia occurs naturally and has occurred throughout geologic time, but their occurrence appears to be increasing as a result of human activities. Hypoxia is caused by freshwater discharge and nutrient loading of the Mississippi River, nutrient-enhanced primary production or eutrophication, decomposition of biomass by bacteria on the ocean floor, and depletion of oxygen due to stratification. The northern Gulf of Mexico is currently the largest hypoxic zone in the United States and the second largest worldwide. The Mississippi River Basin drains approximately 41% of the surrounding land and is divided into 6 sub-basins. These 6 sub-basins are the Upper River Mississippi Basin, Missouri River Basin, Arkansas White River Basin, Ohio River Basin, Red River Basin, and Lower Mississippi River Basin, which are displayed on this map. The hypoxia here is caused by an increase in nitrogen and phosphorus levels. This increase is due to an increased use of nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizers, nitrogen fixation by relating crops, and atmospheric deposition of oxidized nitrogen from the combustion of fossil fuels. In other words, the fertilizers that are entering the river streams travel into the Gulf of Mexico and fertilize the plant life near the mouth of the Mississippi River. These fertilized plants intake oxygen and output harmful chemicals, causing the oxygen levels in the water to be at a low level due to an amount of abundant, thriving plant life. So how does Indiana fit into all of this? Well, Indiana is divided into both the Upper Mississippi River Basin and the Ohio River Basin, which then connects to the Mississippi River, making Indiana a direct contributor to the hypoxia happening in the Gulf Coast. In conclusion, you have learned what hypoxia is as well as what causes it. You have also learned about the specific dead zone known as the Gulf of Mexico hypoxia and how Indiana is a contributor towards the damage being done in this area. This is one way Indiana affects the ocean, so join an organization today to be a helping hand in fixing the Gulf of Mexico hypoxia.